Hey y'all, it's Ryan with Bristol Clean. Just wanted to show you how to use my spot out. I just grabbed a fresh bottle here. Right here I got a spot from my cat. He threw up. I know, gross. But just wanted to show you how to use it and whatnot. So let's just to show you, this is a fresh one here. The seal is still on there. So make sure you take that off when you get it. Put your cap back on tightly. Then you open it up right here. Alright, now before you go and use this stuff, I do recommend you have a terry cloth towel like I'm using here. This is just an old white hand towel for bathrooms and stuff. So I just use that. So what you do is you take the spotter. I'm doing this left-handed, so bear with me. And you put it over the spot. Okay, now that it's on the spot, you sort of rub it in a little bit to agitate it into the fibers. Oh, I missed one. Let's put a little extra on there for good measure. Alright, so you let it soak for a couple seconds. And you take your terry cloth and you gently rub. And no, this was not a setup spot. This was a legit spot for my cat. But you see, all the soil goes from there. It transfers from here to there. But the spot is gone. Pretty much. And that's all you have to do. Nothing fancy here. You just drip it on and scrub it off. And that, my friends, is Bristol Clean Spot Out. So, and of course, if you ever have any issues with trying to use it, just give me a call and I'll walk you through it. But that's pretty much it. All right. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day. God bless.